Hey guys, welcome back to Srithan Rudrangi's channel. Today we're going to learn Lesson 8 Python Module. What is a module? A module is a file containing Python definitions and statements. The file name is the module name with the suffix .py appended. Let me illustrate a code example. I'm taking two files here. One is mylib.py, which will contain code logic in the form of definitions. And another is an actual code file where I'm going to use my library definitions. Def greeting and name colon and then print quotes. So hello and comma inside the hello, so and now space plus name and then comma again and quotes. How are you doing? And then a question mark. See, now we wrote the function. Let's go in a different file and call it. Now you're in the code file. You have to import a module before using it. To import any module, you have to write import keyword along with the module name. Here is my module name, mylib. So import mylib. Because that's my file name right here, I'm importing that file. So as that's called alias. So you can use as and then you can say what you can write anything there. That's how you can call it right now. So import and then here we can write m dot greeting and then here let's write name, or not name, you have to write the value of name. So we have to put quotes and then write any name. I'm writing Srithan. Now look what's gonna print. It's gonna print hello Srithan, how are you doing? See. Look right here. It says, hello Srithan, how are you doing? Let me show you another example. So, let's go back here and write another function. So let's do def add A and B. And the colon right here. The colon. So now here, right here, we should write return the value of A plus B. Not A and B, but A plus B. So B. Now we can go in this one, print and parentheses and m dot add another parentheses and write the value of A and B. So the value of A and B, you can just choose anything. I'm going to choose 5 and 10. See, it says add A and B. That means there are two parameters, so you need to pass two arguments. So now we completed that. Let's execute it and see if it tells the addition answer of 5 and 10. See, here it printed 15. See, you can see there it printed 15. Now let's move on. So far, we discussed how to create a module and how to use it. There are several built-in modules by default in Python which we can import whenever we like. Few are date, time, math, random, etc. I'm going to show one example on the math module. Let's import it. You can import it by writing the import keyword, import, and write the module name. It's math, so write math. So right here now, let's use alias. That means we can do as and write anything. I'm gonna write MA. Now right there, print and parentheses, write ma dot pi. And there are a lot of stuff in the math module. There's a lot. I just show you pi. So pi, it's gonna print pi. Let's execute it. See, right here it printed the value of pi. Okay guys, this is the end of the lesson of lesson 8. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share it and don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye.